Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and in today's video I will be showing you how to make Turkish ezogelin soup. Now let's start with the ingredients. 200 milliliters of lentils, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of bulgur, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon of dry mint, and salt. Okay, so now we start off by putting our water into our pot, which is 7 cups. And then we put in another place our lentils, rice, and bulgur. And as you can see here, the water is going to be dirty, so make sure you get rid of that. And after you get rid of that, you just take the mixture of lentils and put it into boiling water. And just stir it until it's nice. In another little pot, you put your butter, and just wait for it to melt. Stir it a little bit. And then we take our onion inside as well. And we stir them as well. Then we also add our tomato sauce and stir it. Now we take this onion mixture and add it inside our boiling soup. And make sure you also stir it well. In here you can also add your dry mint. And our soup is ready to serve. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, so make sure to stay tuned. Bye!